Hey everybody, today we're doing an up-close look and review of this Brew Haas extra large backpack cooler. There are so many things that I love about this, but number one is the fact that you can fill this up with 36 cans and ice, zip it up, put it on your back, and go anywhere. So you don't have to haul around some clunky, gigantic cooler that you need someone else to help you carry it. You can actually do this yourself. You can also put food in here. So let's get right into all the details. So just so you know, it fits comfortably. It feels just like any other backpack that you would wear if you were going on a hike, for example. The other thing I would point out is this backpack is tough. The material is solid. You can tell that it is built to withstand the elements. It's incredibly well insulated, and I can see why it's designed to keep ice and drinks cold for more than 24 hours. This has unique features on the outside, including stainless steel bottle openers, attachment loops, top smart lid, which can hold koozies, a mini radio, for example, or anything else that you can fit there. The manufacturer definitely built this for comfort and durability. The section of the backpack that touches your back has a nice mesh cushion. That way, if you're walking or hiking a long distance, it will continue to feel comfortable. The backpack straps are adjustable and the sides come with 2 carrying handles, which make it easy to pick up, especially if it's full of drinks. There are 2 pockets on each side, and those are each insulated so that your phone or any other electronics maintain their power in cold conditions. The 3-layered design of this backpack is going to keep your drinks cold and fresh. And by the way, you can use this for hauling food, as I mentioned. There are so many situations where this can be useful, and I look forward to taking this on a lot of trips across the country. And in conclusion, I would say with confidence that this is the most rugged backpack that I have come across. You can tell just from the material that this is going to be long lasting and that it is specifically designed to withstand the elements. I, for example, go on a lot of hiking adventures with my family in different terrain, in different environments, and I know that this is going to stand the test. I love that I can pack this with so many cans and bottles and ice, but also knowing that this can really be like a picnic on my back. I can put food in here, and we can take this anywhere. And there's just nothing that I've come across quite like that in the cooler category, where it's just so convenient and well built. So definitely 2 thumbs up. If you're looking for something that's rugged and going to withstand the elements and can pack a lot while keeping things fresh and cold for you, this one is a home run. Thanks for watching.